Now we're going to learn about the tax plus function. It is similar to the times rate function in the fact that it will calculate your tax, but the difference is it will add it to the cost of the item, and therefore the answer it gives you is the amount you should be charging your customer. So let's do an example. Let's assume your sales tax is 9%, and you want to quickly calculate the price plus the amount of tax on several items. In other words, we're going to be calculating the tax on an item and adding the tax to the price of the item, all in one step, just by pressing tax plus. So we still have those same items as in the video before about times rate. And the steps are kind of similar. The first step is set your decimal selector to 2 since we're working with currency. And then we have to set the 9% tax rate by doing this. You're going to set the gt.rateset to rate set. And then you're going to enter the 9% as 9 and then press tax plus. So now this is different than the times rate. For times rate, we had to enter it as a decimal. We entered it as 0.09. But for tax plus, you have to enter the same 9% sales tax as just a 9. And then notice on your tape it shows 9TX, and the TX is abbreviation for the tax rate, for tax plus. And then, this is a critical step, when you're done setting the rate, set your gt.rateset back to the middle setting, which is the dot. And now we're going to calculate the cost of the item plus the tax for the $100 item by simply entering 100 and then hit tax plus, and your answer should be 109. In other words, you're going to charge the customer $109, the $9 being the tax. To calculate how much you're going to charge the person buying a dollar item, enter 1 and then hit tax plus. It's $1.09. For an item that's $1.73, enter 1.73, hit tax plus, and you should be charging that customer $1.89. And then for an item that costs $19.99, just simply enter 19.99, hit tax plus, and you're going to charge your customer $21.79. So let's say you come in to your office the next day and you forgot what the tax rate is in your tax plus. Well, you can find out what the rate is. You're going to hit asterisk twice to clear it, and then you're going to hit tax plus, and you should have 9 and then TX, which is the abbreviation for the tax rate for the tax plus function. Now, of course, if you wanted to reset the tax rate to something different, you would just go through the same process to set the tax rate as you did before, and it will override whatever tax rate you have already entered into your calculator.